Hello everyone, DJ Bowser here. Today I'm driving a 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, and it is at Diehl Toyota of Butler. It is the 4-cylinder hybrid engine version, and I have to say I am really digging this car. I've been driving it a little bit, and I love what I am seeing here with this 2024 model. So we got this awesome Toyota steering wheel here, a 7-inch touchscreen display, some premium materials going on in the dash here, really well constructed. Let's start it up. It's very quiet startup here because of that hybrid tech.
Or new image.
Turn that off. Okay, let's walk around, then take it for a little drive, and I'll tell you my thoughts. So, this is the jet black model. We've got Continental Pro Contact TXs on this Corolla Cross Hybrid. All blacked out emblems and badging on the hybrid models. Looks awesome. Love the styling, the small details here with the Corolla Cross going on. Looking really sharp. All-wheel drive, of course. Like I said, it has a hybrid powertrain. It has an eCVT transmission, and the hybrid powertrain, I believe, has 2 electric motors. This model is priced just over $30,000, and it is available at Diehl Toyota of Butler. So let's open up the back here. Plenty of cargo room back here. Comes with this really nice heavy-duty mat, Toyota first aid kit, emergency kit, all that stuff. These seats do lay flat, and I'll show you that here in a bit, but that is a really good cargo area for a crossover. Another thing that I really love about this is the back seat and how much space there is here. I am 6 foot tall, and there is plenty of room. I moved the seat back, so that's why it's a little bit close, but you really can't complain. The back seat's very comfortable. I could see definitely this being okay for longer trips. Got a cup holder here, power down and up windows, power locks, great stuff. Let's go to the front. Seatbelt on here, safety first. So it does have EV mode and in 3 different drive modes here I can show you. So drive mode selectors down here. You have Eco, Normal, and Sport. We will try Sport out. And then there's also an EV mode, but you have to drive it a little bit to charge that hybrid battery. And it's pretty seamless with this new tech. I think this might be like the 5th generation Toyota hybrid technology for this stuff. So yeah, let's take it on the road, and I'll show you guys just how quiet and how wonderful this is. Let's look behind here. Good. Got a backup camera. Standard on the Corolla Cross Hybrid. Very smooth ride on the 24 model. Now this does have just under 200 horsepower with the hybrid powertrain. The non-hybrid version makes 174 horsepower. So if you want a little bit of power jump due to those extra electric motors, this is definitely the option for you. Really good acceleration, a little bit of engine noise there for some of you gearheads. Pretty cool stuff, and one of the most exciting things about this vehicle is combined fuel economy. We're looking at 43 miles per gallon for this Corolla Cross Hybrid, and you can't beat that in the segment. It is one of, if not the best when it comes to MPG. Toyota has knocked it out of the park with this generation's vehicles. The Prius is making 53 miles per gallon. So just to show you guys how big of a difference these Toyota cars are with MPG over competitors. We're making a left turn here. Listening to the radio on the way down. The audio system is premium in this. You can get an upgraded one in the higher trim levels with JBL audio. If you're into that, it's going to cost a little bit more money, but I see no problem in the stock stereo system in the Corolla Cross. I love the visibility. There is no issues with any pillars being in your line of sight, and I love how this dash is. It's so open, it's not slanted or anything. You can clearly see everything you need to. We do have SOS buttons up here and lights for the overhead. I do like some of these physical buttons here for the AC controls. In a time where the automotive industry has been veering away from physical buttons, it is nice to see companies like Toyota and Volkswagen going back or sticking with these physical buttons. Not a lot of road noise coming from this. It's a pretty quiet drive. I do like this gray interior. I think those seats are very snazzy, and the bolstering on the back just hugs you. I haven't moved around at all. Just want to thank all of our subscribers, new, old, that have come to the channel. Thank you for joining us on these point of view drive along videos. It's really appreciated. Thank you to everyone watching our little quick overview videos that we've been posting. We'll definitely keep the content up. So as we pull into Diehl Toyota of Butler here, like I said, it's just over $30,000 as equipped here.